In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to brainstorm and design plans for a small two-bedroom house. This can be a fantastic exercise if you're considering building or remodeling a home, or if you're simply exploring architectural design concepts for fun. Now, let's dive in and explore this step-by-step journey together. First, we start by opening ChatGPT. You'll want to head over to the website chat.openai.com. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can utilize its full functionality. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to create one. Once you're all signed in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to start a new chat. Click on New Chat, which clears the slate and allows us to begin fresh. This ensures that any previous conversations won't interfere with our current project, and you're set to focus solely on designing your dream space. Now, here's where the fun really begins. Send a prompt to ChatGPT to get those creative juices flowing. A great example prompt to try could be, "You are an expert architect. Help me design a small two-bedroom house with an open-plan living area. Suggest a floor plan, room sizes, natural light ideas, and exterior style. Explain choices clearly for a beginner." This is your starting point, providing a solid foundation for ChatGPT to generate ideas tailored to your preferences. As you explore the outputs, feel free to delve deeper into the layouts and styles. Use ChatGPT to ask for alternatives that fit your ideal vision. You might prompt it with something like, "Give me 3 modern layouts under 80 square meters," or "Describe rustic, minimalist, and industrial styles for this house." These inquiries can open up a world of possibilities, allowing you to visualize different themes and structures. Once you have a few ideas on the table, it's time to refine the details. Consider the specifics that will make your house both functional and environmentally friendly. You could make requests such as, "Add a home office nook near the living room," or "Ensure the kitchen has good ventilation." Ask for suggestions about eco-friendly materials for the walls and roof, which are great for sustainability and modern energy efficiency trends. Finally, once you've crafted a layout and gathered detailed suggestions you're happy with, remember to save your work. This step is crucial to ensure that all your ideas and designs remain accessible for further planning or sharing with a professional architect in the future. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively harnessed the power of ChatGPT to engage in the fascinating world of architectural design. This creative process, aided by AI, combines your personal vision with expert insights, offering a fresh perspective on home design.